You know while you're here, you want to play a flute. You want to play a Native American style flute. It's a spirit thing. And I'm here to give you a little nudge. This is easy to play. I started off, I didn't know anything about how to play a flute, but suddenly I was doing something that made me feel really good. It's easy to play because all you have to do is blow. And you've got a sound. Cover the holes. You've got another sound. Now, I'm not telling you that it's going to be effortless. Covering the holes with your fingers is something new. You're going to have to give yourself a little space and let your body acclimatize itself to lifting and lowering the fingers. It's called muscle memory. Little by little, the memory develops and you raise and lower the fingers smoothly and evenly. Watch, just watch. That's a little scale, it's a little tune. You can do this, it's easy. Takes a little time, takes a little effort, but it's worth it.